Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to introduce yourself in Cebuano. So, come on, vamonos! What if someone asks you, unsay imong ngalan? Well, you need to know first what does it mean. Unsay imong ngalan means, what is your name? What is your name? So, we're gonna know how to respond to that. The first way to introduce yourself is ang akong ngalan kay. It is a translation of my name is. You can also use ang akong ngalan mausi. Those two are the formal ways to introduce yourself in Cebuano. The informal way of introducing yourself is ako si. It is the common way of introducing yourself in Cebuano. So those are the ways you can introduce yourself in Cebuano. So when someone asks you what is your name, just choose whatever you like. And don't forget to smile. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell below for you to have more updates on my channel.